I'm about to jump off this roof and into another $1 million commercial project. And I want to show you how to create commercial leads through sales videos without cold calling inside of this book. My name's Haight, and I wrote a book for contractors that will help you get more leads off Facebook. I saw an epidemic of bad actors, bad marketers with no experience, and I actually have a contracting company. This is my project. I'm down in South Florida, and we've helped a lot of contractors build sales teams, create leads off social media and Google, and we can teach you the most successful sales funnel for contractors in internet history. Look, click the link below. Get a free copy of my book. All you have to do is cover the price of shipping. I know you'll only pay attention to what you pay for, and actually you can get an audio copy of this book. Click the link below and find out how we were able to create a video just 3 weeks ago and turn this multi-million-dollar deal into another multi-million-dollar deal. That's what we call digital duplication, because you can sell while you sleep. Let's jump off this roof and show you what it's like. The future of prospecting is digital. That's right. You would say maybe you couldn't land these big jobs, these commercial projects through the internet. Well, I'd say you're dead wrong. The job that you just saw us on was one we're completing, and I call it digital door knocking because it's the future of prospecting. See, this is a commercial project, and they were suffering from the same problems that the previous customer did. And through including a build video and a testimonial video, that's 2 videos out of our holy trinity of video ads, we were able to create this lead right up the road. This project is 7 figures in damage or more, and you could be creating more commercial roofs if you knew the holy trinity of video ads. So please click the link below. I want to give you a copy of my new book. It's called Contracting Growth Secrets. It's a digital door knocker's guide. That's exactly what we did when we digitally duplicated ourselves, our testimonial, our build story, and we can do the same for you. And so I want to give you a free copy of my book. All you have to do is cover the price of shipping, and it doesn't matter what kind of contractor you are. You could be creating leads using social media, but it's the sales message and the video that counts the most, because what we did was we talked about a $2 million mistake. Right next door, the homeowners association was denied by the insurance company, and it was more about the story of the problem that we solved that got this customer to know, like, and trust us. And that's the secret. Not only do you educate and entertain, but you get people to know, like, and trust you because you give beneficial content. And if you're finding this content beneficial, then I can promise you, teaching you my ad strategy where we've created more than 9 figures in results is going to help you scale your team, your deals, and your impact. So click the link below. You cover the price of shipping, get my free book. Look forward to helping you out. Get a copy of my book. Just cover the price of shipping.